Hello everyone, welcome to Health and Paramedical Department of PSS, Central Institute of Vocational Education. Today, our topic is related to first aid management. In this video, we will learn about introduction of choking, different way to manage choking when professional help is not present. Next, we will learn about the seizures and first aid management of seizures. Let's deal with choking. Choking is also called foreign body airway obstruction. Choking occurs when object or food become lodged in the throat or windpipe. Management of choking. In adult, you should determine choking it is partial or complete. For this, you should assess the situation. If person is speak, cough or talking, that indicate obstruction is partial. If person breathing but person getting pale, not coughing, fingernails are blue, that means obstruction is complete. Encourage to cough. If blockage is partial, ask patient to cough and calm them down. When person choking, do not let them drink water. Provide water after relief. Tell victim to breathe via nose because mouth breathing can increase obstruction. If person can not cough, stand behind the person, lean them forward, deliver 5 strong blow between the shoulder blade and using heel of hands. Be sure direct the blow upward toward the victim's mouth. Do not blow if person standing straight. It can cause food to fall deeper and down. If person cannot breathe, perform Heimlich maneuver. Stand behind the victim, put arm around the torso, take one hand fist, place it between the belly button and lower the ribs. Put other hand over the fist. Quick thrust fist up toward victim's diaphragm several times. Do not arm around the patient ribs or else you may increase the risk of breaking their ribs. If person get unconscious, lie them down on their back. Put one hand top of the other hand. Place the hand into the belly button and the lower ribs. Push abdomen toward diaphragm. Repeat several times. If person still not start breathe, then start CPR. If person blockage did not remove, do not perform CPR. If person is pregnant or obese, place hand as close as to the abdomen as possible and above the lowest rib. Press chest really hard with the quick thrust. If victim is baby or less than 1 year, lie them face down on your arms. Make sure hand and neck are lower than the torso and support chin in your hands. Give 5 quick blow by using heel of hand. If they didn't help, turn baby on its back. Use hand for supporting neck. Use 2 fingers to make 5 quick thrust on the breastbone. If victim is more than 1 year, stand behind the child, kneel down and perform Heimlich maneuver, inward and upward. If child get unconscious, lie down victims on their back, tilt head back by lifting chin up. If you can see the object in throat, remove by using your finger. If you successfully remove the object, cover the child mouth and nose. Push air by your mouth into the lungs. If unable to breathe, use CPR until help arrive. Let's have look into the seizures. Our brain give us message to do some activities. Sometime brain get message a bit mixed up and body goes stiff and start shaking. It is known as tonic-clonic seizures. The first aid management for scissors. Roll the victim sidelining. If you see person is getting scissors, let them lie down in sidelining position to prevent from the aspiration. Protect head, placing something under the head. You should place something soft under the head to prevent the head injury. Note the timing of scissor. You should always note the time duration of scissors. What happening to the patient? Monitor patient's breathing pattern. Stay with the patient until he recover. Do not move a person during scissors. You should not put anything in person's mouth. It can cause aspiration to the patient. Do not restrain the patient. Do not try to restrain patient. It can cause injury to the patient. Do not open the person's mouth. It can cause injury to the tongue of a person or hands of a helping person. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. Thank you.